So I just put another blower motor and blower motor resistor in my newer 2014 Ford Expedition. So what I'm finding with these trucks, I have a 2012 and a 2014. I've put a couple of blower motors over the years in the 2012, and my 2014 here has 84,000 miles on it. And the blower motor resistor went the other day, which is this piece right here. I've got a video on how to put these in, and after a little bit, it ended up getting cooked on the inside. There's like a pin in there, and if you look real close, you can see the second one in is melted a little bit. So what I'm finding with these trucks is that a lot of times you've got to replace the blower motor and the blower motor resistor at the same time, because the blower motors start to heat up and they cook these, they overheat the pins in these blower motor resistors. So if you just try to replace the blower motor resistor, I've done it like 3 times on 3 different expeditions, the blower motor ends up cooking the resistor again. So then you're back into it, doing it again. So what I recommend is replacing that blower motor and the resistor all in one whack. It's kind of a pain. I've got a video on how to do both. And I bought a little kit. I'll put a link in the description of this video over to Amazon. It comes with this little harness. My harness looks okay. I inspected the inside of the pins, and I'm hoping that I got away with it not being melted, because it looks fine to the naked eye. But it comes with this wire and pigtail too, so if you realize it's melted on the inside, you can rewire it into the harness of the truck. It's a common thing to have happen on any vehicle, but sometimes on vehicles you can get away with just replacing a blower motor resistor and you're good to go for a while. I've done that a bunch of times, but for whatever reason, like I'm telling you, on these trucks, the blower motor seems to be cooking the resistor, so that's what I'm finding on these things. If you replace it all in one whack, you should be good to go. And if you don't, you're probably going back in. So just a heads up, and my experience and working on these trucks, I've got a couple, so hope this helps you guys out. I know you kind of like the expedition videos. I got a lot of them on the channel. Every time something breaks, we film it for you guys. And if you have a question or a comment, leave it in the description of the video. I'll reply back to you guys, and there's a link in the description. It's that blower motor and the resistor and the kit and the whole thing, so if you want to buy it out of there. Thanks for watching, guys.